Pee-pee.
And what's this?
James.
And what's this?
That's Arthur.
And what's this?
Gordon.
And what's this?
Murdoch.
Oh! Ooh.
Now you tell me. Who is this? Who's that?
It's my spot.
Good job. Who's this?
Man.
Sir Topham-Hatt.
The top of hat.
Who's that? Toby.
Toby.
Who's that?
Harvey.
Who's that?
Arthur.
Who's this?
Emily.
Who's this?
James.
Who's this? Henry.
Henry.
Who's this?
Percy. Pee-pee. Gordon. Murdoch. Mavis. Spencer. Annie. Flying. Birdie. Buffers. Edward. Dome.
You?
Uniform.
Uniform.
Harvey.
No. Yes.
Young.
Yeah.
Ronald.
Mickey's friend?
Clarabelle.
Clarabelle. Who's that?
Thomas the Train.
Good job. You did it all.
What's this, Billy?
I don't know. Who is it?
Thomas the Train.
Oh.
And what's this?
I don't know. Who is it?
Papa Bear?
Who?
Pata Bear.
Junior, what did you have for breakfast? What did you have for breakfast? Tell me.
Tarts?
You had cards for breakfast? No, you didn't. What did you have for breakfast?
Food?
Food? What kind of food?
Something?
What something did you have?
I hit Willie.
You hit Willie? And what did you say?
Sorry.
Can you give him a kiss?
Mwah.
What are you doing?
Putting tarts on Willie's head.
Oh, okay. And then what are you gonna do?
Who's this?
Did you cut yourself?
Oh.
No. Can't cut yourself.
Of course you can. I've done it. But then again, everything happens to me. So.
Exactly. Like that instant.
Okay, say bye, guys. Just tell me, what did you have for breakfast?
Thomas?
You had Thomas for breakfast?
Oh, Thomas? Not Percy?
I love you.
Say bye, camera.
Bye, camera.
What do you say?
Mwah.
Again, without a cargo. Mwah.
And what's this?
I don't know. I think that's Toby. Yep, that's Toby.
So right now you're with what? Thomas cards?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Really?
Do you still remember the president?
No.
What do you mean, no? Let's do one with the president.
No!
You don't want to do the presidents really quick?
No.
One.
Yeah, show me. Show